Hello, this is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com. It's Saturday night. We're doing a video of the top 5 groups. Maybe the top 6 groups. Maybe the top 7 groups. Let's take it here. You can say the top 7 groups or whatever it is. You can call them ranked-wise they are, but none of them are that great. So let's take it from the top. Group number 1 is held in there nicely. What is it? Fell back a little bit, but it's still about the 50-day. That's something to take into consideration. Right here, off the 50-day. Needs to start lifting. Here's the leading stocks in the group. Speaking of start lifting, what do we got to see? Got to see the market straighten up, okay? Crummy markets, you just leave stuff alone. A lot of people, I got to do something, I got to do something. Hey, just because the market's open for business doesn't mean you got to do business, all right? We've been very, very tactical, doing very little with the VIPs, hanging on to what we had. We got out in early October and just leave it alone. Just because it's open doesn't mean we got to play. Next one, telecom wireless service. Look at this, group number 2. Group number 2, look at this. Down, geez whiz, this is no good. I'll keep it clean. It's moved up nicely in rank. What does it tell you? It tells you one thing. It's not that this is a great group. It's that it's fallen less than all the other groups. That's pretty much what it means. That's where it's at. A little bit above the 200-day, nothing special. Auto replacement parts. This is flopping around. Look at this chop, man. It looks like taking spaghetti noodles and throwing them on the floor, breaking the package in half, uncooked, and throwing it on the floor. No good. Here's the leading stocks in the group. So you know what else it looks like? It looks like an X-ray of an Achilles tendon, broken Achilles tendon. Egg. Group rank 5. Oh man, look at this at the 200-day. It's moved up nicely in rank. Relative strength is good, but again, why is it ranked high? Because it's fallen less than most of the other groups. That's it. All right. Here's the leading stocks in the group. Okay. It's like saying, oh, that's a good-looking dog. Well, it's got rabies, but it's better looking than the other dogs with rabies. Okay, it's an awful analogy, ain't it? But it's something to sink your teeth into. Okay, enough of the puns. Beverages, non-alcoholic. Look at this, below the 50-day, below the 200-day. Bouncing up, fell on heavy volume. Group strong. Relative strength, 97. Again, you could say, why the heck is this in the top 5 groups? Because it's fallen less than a lot of the other groups. That's why. Group rank 6. Utilities, moving up. Utility water, defensive. Why? You got to have water. I'll give you group rank 7. Soap, defensive. People got to take a shower. What are they going to use? They're going to use water. How about that? The two go together. You ever try to use bar of soap without water? Okay, here we go. Soap and cleaning preparations, group rank 7, just awful. It's indicative of the market, folks. Don't argue with it. There will be better times ahead. I can't stress that enough. Don't force trades. Focus on clean and simple. Look for long, clean, and simple base chart patterns. And if it's not there, just leave it alone. Leave it alone. Easier money is made. You can say, what do you mean by that? Well, I'll show you. I'm going to show you two right now. This is for you folks. AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. Boom, right here. Clean and simple entry right here. Pick it up right here, 50%, 55% gain real quick without a problem. There's one for you. I'm going to show you another one real quick, just from the past. All right. Oh, this was from a while ago. Okay, we'll leave it alone. I'll show you one more, though, recently. Ollie's right here. Pick it up right here. Just, $77 a share. Boom, volume, pick up, off. Simple, vanilla, and then get the heck out. Focus on those. Make life easier for yourself. That's it. Leading groups, leading stocks. Market's crummy. Be careful. Thank you.